Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Whether a temporary police constable appointed under Section 2 of the Police Act 1861, who has not been placed on probation can be terminated from service in accordance with the Uttar Pradesh Temporary Government Servants (Termination of Service) clause rules, 1975, or whether the procedure provided under para 51 of the police regulations dealing with the constables on probation shall be applicable. Full stop. The issue before the full bench turns upon the interpretation of the provisions of the Police Act and of the police regulations. Full stop. The issue is whether a person, who has been appointed as a police constable on a temporary basis is entitled to the benefit of Regulation 541 of the Police Regulations. Full stop. The constables who are before this court contend that the services of a person who is appointed on a temporary basis can be dispensed with only in accordance with the procedure prescribed by Regulation 541. Full stop. Contrary to this, is the position which has been adopted by the state, which is that the services of a person who has been appointed on a temporary basis are not governed by the Regulation 541, which applies only to probationers, and that the rules framed by the state under Article 309 of the Constitution, called the Uttar Pradesh Temporary Government Servants (Termination of Service) clause rules, 1975 would apply. Full stop. The Police Act 1861 was enacted in the aftermath of 1857. Full stop. The act received the assent of the Governor-General on 22 March 1861. Full stop. The long title describes it as an act for the regulation of police. Full stop. The preamble states that it was expedient to reorganize the police and to make it a more efficient instrument for the prevention and detection of crime. Full stop. The Act and the regulations were preserved under Section 243 of the Government of India Act 1935 and by Articles 313 and 372 of the Constitution. Full stop. After the enactment of the Constitution, the police is a state subject under entry 2 of the state list to the 7th schedule. Full stop. Entry 2, which deals with the police, including railways and village police, is subject to the provisions of Entry 2A of the Union list, providing for the development of any armed force of the Union or any other force subject to the control of the Union. Full stop. Section 2 of the Police Act provides for the constitution of the force in the following terms. Full stop. The entire police establishment under a state government shall, for the purposes of this act, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for more dictations. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.